Hello inventors, this is Saurav. In this video, we will learn how we can design product page in MIT App Inventor. So let's see the demo of our app first. So you can see that's our app here. That's the product page. Okay, in the top side, right side, top right side, you can see the cart option and the value is 0. Okay, now that one is our product image. Okay, that is our product name, that our product price, and you can see two buttons, minus and plus. So if I suppose whenever I click on plus icon, okay, click on it and you can see total price is 200 because our product price is 200 and that is calculated by this one, so it means total price is 200. Let's click on again. The total product is 2 and the total price is 400. Let's click again, 600. Now if I want, no, I want only two products, so let's click on minus. You can see the 400. Let's click on again, 200, right? Now let's click on the add to cart button and you can see the 1, right? So that's the overall design and app we will create using MIT App Inventor. So here we go. So we are using here MIT App Inventor to create this app. Click on start new project and my project name is cart demo and okay. You can use this functionality in your e-commerce app. So that's the first page. Okay, now let's design. So first I'm going to drag and drop here, click on layout and that one is vertical arrangement and make sure this should be height is fill parent and width is fill parent. Now drag and drop here one horizontal arrangement, or you can say yes, horizontal arrangement. There should be in the top out of this in the screen, it means, okay, like this, and make this width is fill parent and make this percentage width is 100%. Actually you can make it fill parent, but the height you can make it 10%, like this. Okay, now we need to change our screen color. So I'm to change my screen color to something is, where is my background color, this one. So I'm to make it little bit like something that one, okay, light color like this, and I'm to apply this color, custom color in both layouts like this. Okay, now drag and drop your one label in the top, okay, and drag and drop your one image. Okay, now, oh, I'm sorry, that did bigger. Delete this image like this one. Okay, now make sure this image width and height you can make it 100 pixel and height is also 100 pixel, like this. Okay, now click on this picture option, upload file, choose file. I'm to upload this cart image, PNG image. You will get that PNG image from Google. Okay, now let's try this. Actually it's, oh, I'm sorry, that is 100%. This should be 100 pixel. Okay, not a percentage pixel. Okay, but it's still too large, so I'm to make it try with 50-50. Let's try 50 height and 50 width and let's see the size. Right, cool. Now click on this horizontal arrangement and you can see the align vertical should be center, but align horizontal should be left, no, not left, right, this side. And make sure this text value I'm to make it 0 and make this font size at least 20, or you can say 24 is fine. And I think it's still too large, so I'm to make it 30-30, so it's feel better, I think. Yeah, it's cool, right? 30-30. Now drag and drop your one image. Okay, that's our product image. Drag and drop one label, that's our product name. Another label for product price, another label. Okay, now stop with label, or you can do one label for space. So I'm going to remove that text. Now what I need one layout here. Okay, to display, click on horizontal and here I'm to make it with this fill parent. Okay, and user interface and drag and drop your two buttons. Okay, one button to remove the item and the add the item, okay, for both, and label to display the value. Now, okay, now we need one more thing, one more button to add to cart option and one thing, I'm to drag and drop here one more layout. That one is horizontal again layout, and I need here two labels to display my total price. Okay, make sure this width is also fill parent. Click on user interface and drag and drop one label and another label. Okay, now let's go to the horizontal arrangement is fine. Now click on this vertical arrangement and make it in a center. Make it in a center, both center. Okay, now click on this image. Okay, click on picture option, upload file, and you can upload any product image here. So I'm to use here product.png image here, and now we have to arrange this image like it means. Click on image and make it width is 100 pixel, and width and height I'm to make it is also 100 pixel. Okay, and let's see how it's look. Yeah, it's look fine, right? Now that's our product name. So you can say display here Horlicks. That's your product name. So you can make this product name around 20 or font bold like that. Okay, and that's your product price. So you can just simply say 200 INR, or you can say 20 USD, something like whatever you want, doesn't matter. Okay, that's the design. Now what you can say, like what you can do here, you can make it also 20 and bold. Fine. Now let's click on this button one and just change text to minus, and that button to make it plus. Okay, and remove this text and make it 0. Now click on this horizontal arrangement and make it in a center. Align horizontal should be center. Now we have to change this horizontal background color to something. So I'm to use here something like I'm to use here default color, some default color, and I'm to make it pink like this. Okay, and what I'm to here with, I'm to make it automatic like this. Okay, you can say which should be, if I just make it 50%. Okay, or it's 50% is fine, or 40% is more fine, I think. And if I just make it hide is automatic, right, for right now. And make this button, let's design for button. So I'm to design this button to something that yellow, and I'm to design this one also background color to yellow like this. Okay, it's look fine or not? Okay, actually that's not matter. Click on horizontal arrangement, hide, I'm to make it in a percentage, or if I just say 10. Okay, but it's not look good, bro. So I'm going to make it, change this yellow color to something else. So I'm to make it, if I just make it green, no, it doesn't look good. So orange is fine, I think. And I'm to make this background color pink to default black, something like that. Or what you can do here, just make it nothing, and make it change this to orange like this. You can see minus, plus and 0. So make it 0 to at least 24 to display the quantity. Okay, and now you can make this plus icon also something 18, make it font bold, make it minus should be also 18, and make it font bold like this. Okay, now click on this label to display your total price. Okay, like that. And in that total price, in the label, you just need to display here 0 value, because we will calculate on that button clicks. Now click on horizontal arrangement and arrange it to like a center, in a center like this. And you just need to click on label 6 and make it at least 18, make it font bold. Click on this price total, and you can make this text color to white, and make this size to at least 20. Now click on this horizontal arrangement and make this background color to something else. So I'm to make it around tal. Let's try this and click on total price and change this color. Now you can change this hide, like hide is automatic right now, so you can make it as a 10%. It's fine. Okay, now that's your add to cart button. So just simply add to cart and change this button shape to rounded and change this background color to orange. Make this font bold and make it 16. Right? So that's your product page design. Now let's do coding. So whenever someone click on this plus icon, so we have to increase a value by 1 and we have to calculate the price. The price is total is $20. So this will display as a $20. If I just add again, it means two product, there should be display $40. Okay. Now what you can do, you can do one more thing. You can add here a dollar sign or INR sign, whatever sign you want to use. Go to the block. Now whenever someone click on button 2, okay, so click on this button 2, this one. So whenever someone click on it, so we have to increase the label value. Which label value? This one is label 5. Okay, so label 5, go to the label 5, this one. So set this label 5 value and we have to increase. Click on maths and you will find this plus icon, simple, and go to the again label 5 dot text we have to get, and we will increase it by 1. Simple, like that. Okay, now one more thing, we have to calculate the price also. It means go to the maths and equal, and we have to display. Go to the design, we have to total amount display here in this label. Which label? Label 7. 7 is my lucky number. Go to the block and whenever, where is label 7? This one, label 7 dot text, then this one, and you can see the, okay, maths we already have done. Drag and drop it here, and we have to calculate the label 5 dot text value. Wait a second, we have done, I think, nothing mistake. Just if the value suppose 1, then we will calculate this value by our price, like suppose $20 our price. Okay, so we will calculate $20 into 1. $20 into 1, it means $20. Okay, if suppose the price is label 5 value is suppose 2, so 2 into 20, it means $40. Like that, simply what we can do here, we will copy paste, go to the design, check this button label 1, so it means, sorry, button 1, so button 1, but what we can do here, we need one thing is minus this one, and just drag and drop this values here and delete this. We have to call it again because we have to calculate the value. Okay, now whenever someone click on the add to cart button, it means we have to increase that value. It means label 1 value, and that button name is button 3. It means I'm to copy paste this as it is, delete this last line from your, change this button name to button 3, and label 1 value should be increased by 1. So like that. Simple, right? So that's the overall code, that's the overall design. You can use this design in your e-commerce app. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have some doubt, okay, so just comment on the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.